What's your name?
I'm Logan. Hi.
Who the hell are you?
I'm from the internet.
It's from the internet.
Yeah.
You randomly met me on the street. What a surprise.
Oh, here's the copper.
I don't talk to pigs, bitch. Don't say that, Dan Nab.
Yeah.
I skipped out on a very important test to see you, Dan Nab.
Skip the test
I
to see me.
skipped the test. Hey, Dan Nab, your screen's all red. Or blue. It's like blue.
Mine. It's just zoomed in really far.
Oh. Yeah, that's better. Oh, hey, there we go. Bow, bow.
I figured out how you zoom in.
Yeah, hey. Fucking cameraman.